Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. I'm excited. If you guys can't tell from the title of this video, we have a full weekend of hockey. We have 3 games we're going to. It just so happened that part of our season tickets for this year, we could pick games. And these are our first games in December that we get to go to because we could go to none of them in November. So we are super excited. Tonight, it is Thursday night, we play the Detroit Red Wings, my dad's favorite team. When he was younger, we have a fun jousting back and forth as to who he cheers for on these nights. We play the Detroit Red Wings tonight. We play the Kings on Saturday night, and then we play the Predators on Sunday. So it's a full weekend of hockey. What's a little concerning is that we didn't actually know if we were going to have a full weekend of hockey. If you guys have been in the hockey news, we were on a Canadian stretch, and we were supposed to play Minnesota on Tuesday. That got postponed because we had 6 players: Jordan Staal, Sebastian Aho, Seth Jarvis, Lawrence, Ian Cole, and I'm missing one, Andrei Svechnikov, and a trainer, all test positive for COVID. Tonight we are playing with 10 forwards, full defense, and Frederik Andersen is in net, so we will see how this goes. A lot of people were really hoping this was going to get canceled just because of how many of our forwards are out, but it did not. So we are, it'll be a nail biter. It'll be a very nervous one. We are very nervous. Tonight is exciting. Haley is very excited, and hopefully we will see how excited she is. It is Star Wars night against the Red Wings. So she is very, very excited because she's gonna wear her Yoda ears that she got at Disney. So it's gonna be a ton of fun, and yeah, we're excited. I'm excited, finally back in hockey, finally at a hockey game.
Trusted.
Haley, what night is it?
Star Wars night.
Let me see your Yoda ears.
People have seen them before.
You might be the one that truly love me. I feel it too.
Islanders are almost like last.
Tonight, we welcome the visiting.
I'm not gonna boo. I'm not gonna boo.
Canadians.
Yeah, he got traded. Oh, you didn't see that.
Score by number 77, Tony D.
Make it up for the goal he gave up.
There we go! This kid is killing me. These two.
Game one of our hockey weekend complete. It was a W over the Detroit Red Wings, 5-3. Star Wars night was a success. Haley got a t-shirt. She was thrilled. And she got to wear her Baby Yoda ears, and I wore them too, and it was a good luck charm. But next game, Saturday, we play the Kings. See you guys there. Hi guys, happy Saturday. It's time for our game tonight. Unfortunately, we found out today that our hockey weekend is going to be cut short. So we do play the Kings tonight, but we're supposed to play the Predators tomorrow. So it's going to be a full hockey weekend for us. Because of all of the COVID issues happening in the NHL right now, the Predators and Bruins have joined several other teams who are postponing their season until after Christmas, which would be technically the 27th is when they come back from Christmas break. So, unfortunately, today's game will be the last game that I'm able to show you guys until after Christmas, because we are going to the 27th game, the Hurricanes versus the Panthers, but our hockey weekend is cut short, which is very, very sad.
shake. Around lineup Hurricanes.
What do you need? What do you need?
2:38, second period.
Oh, Nino! Way home! Way home!
Alright y'all, that was our full weekend of hockey. I am so sorry there is not more. I wish there was a game tomorrow because we were super excited to get to see the Predators. It's always a great game, but two incredible games. Canes won 5-1 tonight against the Kings. We're officially #1 in the NHL right now with a 21-7 record, and we're thrilled, especially with how things have been right now. We are absolutely thrilled. So we'll see what happens the next couple days, and hopefully we will have more games here coming up soon that I will be able to take you guys to. But these were two incredible games that we got to see, and I'm so glad I got to bring you guys along. This dude's been not so happy with us because he's been having to be at home alone by himself for a few hours, but he's been getting lots of sleeps and watching some hockey while we're gone. But if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, join this awesome family and this awesome little hockey family we got, guys. And I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.